Hey everybody, welcome to Beaming Notes, and today we're going to look at the critical analysis, theme, and tone of the poem Daffodils by William Wordsworth. Critical analysis. I wandered lonely as a cloud that floats on high o'er vales and hills, for oft when on my couch I lie in vacant with pleasures fill. In the starting of the poem, the poet was floating high but was morally low. As we come to the end of the poem, the poet, in spite being on the couch, was morally high. Theme. The poem goes to a gradual shift from wandered lonely in line 1 to but be gay in line 15 and pleasures fill in line 23. This in actual reflects Wordsworth's life. The feeling of loneliness was marked by the death of his brother John. Dorothy had been a great sister to Wordsworth, and also Wordsworth got married in the same year 1802, which was his second marriage. These life events were actually responsible for Wordsworth's actual happiness in his life and thus correlates with Daffodils. Tone. Daffodils' analysis will be incomplete without illustrating the tone of the poem. This poem is typically Wordsworthian. It portrays nature at its best and encompasses her grace to the pinnacle which every poet cannot reach. It projects Wordsworth's extraordinary delight in understanding and exploring commonplace things, which is the key point. Emotions recollected in the tranquility are the distinct factor which differentiates Wordsworth from other poets. The emotions associated with Wordsworth in this poem, Daffodils, is not ephemeral but rather permanent and everlasting. The poet derives the same bliss from his thoughts about the daffodil when he actually saw them. They flashed upon the inward eye, which is the bliss of solitude, and then my heart with pleasure fills and danced with the daffodils.